Let me see. How are you putting on those shoes? You gotta put your whole foot in there. I think you're better in Dada's shoes. Why don't you get Dada's shoes? Put them.
Big.
They're too big?
Yeah.
Okay.
Big. That's duck. Mama, duck.
Oh, did your sock fall off?
Mama.
Oh, leave it there, Kenny. You can wear Dada's shoes. Is that a puppet? Let me see it.
Mama, cheese.
Is it a puppet?
Cheese. Mama, cheese.
I am doing cheese.
Mama, cheese.